Good morning, everybody! We are the first group to present our plan that will develop environmental community-based project and would create environmental consciousness to individual.
We will show to you some pictures about what happened to some part of Negros Occidental.
Look what happened to some areas of Negros, and because of this, and because of us.
Go.
So this is our plan that would help this kind of problem. We will make plan that would save our natural resources and will help the community from flooding, landslide, and etc. And aside from that we can help our natural parks and to maintain the natural beauty in it. We can also save our natural parks like the Mount Canlaon Natural Park in the Northern Negros Natural Park. We are planning to have reforestation in affected area. By the way, what is reforestation? Reforestation is the process of regenerating or replanting forest areas that have been destroyed or damaged for the benefits of mankind. Reforestation or afforestation share the same meaning. Example, afforestation is another name given to reforestation. Occasionally, forests have the capability of regenerate due to the process to the trees in the surroundings or due to dispersion.
The background of our reforestation plan. We are keen to reforest the proposed site since it is one of the protected area in the Philippines that needs to be reforested with species with high ecological value and economic interest, fruit trees, stone pine, and sprouting species. Reforestation, occasionally re-afforestation, is the natural or intentional restocking of existing forests and woodlands for stations that have been depleted, usually through deforestation but also after clear cutting. The proposed site of our tree planting is the NNP, or the Northern Negros Natural Park, located in the northern mountainous forest region of the island of Negros in Visayas. It is spread over 5 municipalities and 6 cities in the province of Negros Occidental and is the province's largest watershed and water source of 17 municipalities of cities, including the Bacolod metropolitan area.
Geography. The Northern Negros Natural Park is located 40 kilometers east-northeast of Bacolod, the largest city and capital of Negros Occidental. It covers the island interior of the island and spans the cities and municipalities of Morsha, Salvador Benedicto, Talisay, Silay, Ibi Magalona, Victorias, Cadiz, Sagay, Toboso, Calatrava, and San Carlos City. Near the boundary within the province of Negros Oriental, the park is centered of Mount Mandalagan and Mount Silay, with their old-growth forests and over 1,000 meters.
Goal of reforestation. Number 1, establish and maintain maximum tree cover. The urban forest serves a wide variety of functions that promote the health, safety, and general welfare of residents. These functions include conserving energy by providing shade and evaporative cooling through transpiration. Second, improving local and global air quality by absorbing carbon dioxide and ozone, absorbing particulate matter and producing oxygen, reducing wind speed and directing airflow, reducing noise pollution, providing habitat for birds, small mammals, and other wildlife, reducing storm runoff and the potential for soil erosion.
Goal of reforestation: maintain trees in healthy condition through good cultural practices. A community is not likely to realize most of the benefit that urban forest can provide if its trees are poor health. Promoting tree health helps communities protect their investment in the urban forest. Public health and safety also depend on healthy trees. Improperly maintained and unhealthy trees often have an increased risk of breakage or failure, which can result in the personal injury and property damage.
Number 3. Establish and maintain an optimal level of age and species diversity. The trees that make up the urban forests have finite lifespans and must be removed as they die. Living trees may also be removed when their health, appearance, and structural integrity decline substantially or when they conflict excessively with utilities and structures. The likelihood that a tree will need to be removed for one reason or another increases as the tree grows older and larger. If areas are planted to a single species at one time, a large percentage of trees will need to be removed over a short time period when they reach the end of their useful life. This results in a rapid reduction in canopy cover and the loss of many of the benefits provided by the urban forest. This undesirable situation is less likely to occur if the urban forest is composed of a variety of tree age classes and species.
And the last goal of reforestation is to promote conservation of the tree resources. The benefits derived from the urban forest generally increase as tree size and canopy cover increase. Therefore, it is in the best interest of the community to protect each existing tree resources from loss of depletion. It is not possible to indefinitely preserve individual trees, since each tree will eventually die. However, it is possible to preserve both the urban forest and natural woodlands by restricting the indiscriminate removal of trees in all age classes, and by making provisions for natural or human-assisted regeneration. This embodies the concept of conservation.
So to prepare our plan, we will organize it. First, we will conduct a seminar to every barangay in each city. We will discuss the importance of reforestation. So reforestation is a very important procedure in order to save our planet. This is needed as huge forests are being destroyed or damaged due to various reasons on a daily basis. Removal of green cover from the surface of the earth has become common due to various reasons such as forest fires, agricultural needs, human needs, logging, and mining.
Next, after seminar, make a schedule for tree planting in every barangay. There should be a minimum of 100 participants in every barangay. After a month, there should be a follow-up checkup of your plants. If the plants are growing or dying so that they can replace it right away. So this is the effect of reforestation. Will not only check environmental pollution but help to preserve wildlife. In addition to the climate benefits, reforestation has the potential to preserve endangered species. A recovering forest restore habitat loss and degradation and threats to species health. Trees give off oxygen that we need to breathe. Trees reduce the amount of storm water runoff, which reduce erosion and pollution in our waterways and may reduce the effects of flooding. Many species of wildlife depend on trees for habitat. Trees provide food, protection, and homes for many birds and animals.
When looking for ways to improve our neighborhood environment, You don't need to look very far to make a widespread difference. Small acts like planting a tree go a long way to supporting your community and health of our planet.
Save our Earth now, or there will be no Earth to save.
The cleanest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness.
Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better.
When we honor the Earth, we honor ourselves.